I don't know about other Nigerian creators, but it's very terrible. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia in case you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my video today. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a first look in my holiday look series, and this is going to be a cut crease look. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing yet, but it's going to be like a cut crease. I've not done one of those in a while. I'm going to be doing some of my favorite Nigerian brands, so in case you want to see what look I come up with and how I achieve that glam, please keep on watching. So I'm back, and this is what the eyes are looking like. I decided to do one full eye. Not that I decided to, you guys already know how we do it on here. I do one eye, I figure it out, and then I come on here and show you guys how I achieve it. So I left the brows undone and the eyes undone as well. So I'm going to bring you guys in. Yes, I'm going to bring you in so you can come kiss me. I'm going to bring you guys in so you can see me achieve this eye on this eye, and you know, the rest of my face. Yeah, so the first thing we're going to do is my brows. For my brows, I'm going to be using my Hager and Esther brow pomade. This is what I always use for my brows, and I just go ahead and fill in my brows regularly. I absolutely hate doing my brows first before eyes now, but with this eye I just have to. And for cleanup, I'll be using my NUBAN Beauty in my skin concealer. So I'm using the lighter shade of that concealer for underneath my brows and the darker shade over top. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with concealer. The eye brushes I'll be using today are from Evita Joseph, so in case it's anyone you like, check them out. Check my coupon as well. Yeah, so I'm going into the Mood Beauty palette, and I'm using this color here. So because we're doing like a cut crease look, I'm going to position most of the colors on the upper part of my lid. Some of them might come down here, but that's fine. But just know that you're trying to form that shape at this moment. So before I go into finish up blending the top part, I'm going to go into this ZARON powder. It's like a compact powder. A dupe for this is that Fenty, or rather this is a dupe for that Fenty Beauty blotting powder. So what this does is that it's going to set that place and make the colors easier to blend in. Because I didn't set my lid, I just only set my I didn't set my lid before putting the eyeshadows. I'm just really setting here now so that I can go in with the colors. So that's what's going to make it have that blended out look. And for the dark line, I'm going to go into black. All these are Nigerian brands, guys. Popping, right? This is my Beauty by AD palette. Such a beautiful palette. I'm taking this black here. This is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm going to go ahead into my Neutrogena makeup remover, and I'm going to clean up my cut crease. This just ensures that when I put on concealer to cut my crease, it won't mix up with all these colors. Just give me a clean base. Let's go ahead and cut my crease. For the next step, I'm going to go into this color. And I'm just going to use that to kind of set the base, because I don't want it to be moving around when I do the next step. And also to serve as a guiding color for the pigment as well. So now that that's done, to deepen the line of my cut even more, I'm going to go into this same Beauty by AD palette using this color here. And this is like an eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to use that to just apply black right at the line of the cut. You can see how my cut crease looks sharper now. So this just helps in case you have your Cutcrease and it's not looking like as defined as you would want it. Just do this step and to take it to the next level. So for my eyelid, I'm going into this MONIQUE pigment. It's a Nigerian brand and this is the shade Dubai. And I'm also going to be using my LUZTA Cosmetics body glue. It's a glitter glue, but it comes like this. I love doing this with pigment because it just helps it sit on the skin and it gives it a very foiled look. Oh guys, this color is so pretty. It was a silver one of this that I used in my Huda Beauty tutorial. So beautiful, I swear. Guys, like, this is currently 8:06 p.m. Between the last clip you just saw and this one, NEPA took light, and NEPA took light at 2, like 1:52ish p.m. in the afternoon, and I've been sitting like this and waiting so that I can do I can do a talk through tutorial, because if I have to use the generating set, it will get really loud and I won't be able to do a talk through like this. Usually I cut out these parts in my videos, but I'll leave in the part where the NEPA took light, and I'll also show you guys this part, which just so you know the dedication to post talk through tutorials on my end. I don't know about other Nigerian creators, but it's very terrible sometimes, like very terrible. If I have to do a talk through video, I have to use light. I don't have money yet to put on to get solar panels, and so that I'll have constant light without the noise of the generating set. And my place is really, where I film is very close to where I have my gen, so it's really loud. Yeah, this is me showing you guys real life. I would have cut this part out, but I decided to put it in so you guys know the struggle. God is my witness. I would have shown you guys the time before, I don't know, but now it's 8:08. Like anyway, let's continue filming, guys. Liquid lipstick and a liquid liner. The liquid lipstick is from a Nigerian brand. I don't even know the name because it has wiped off. I've had it for as long as I can remember, like maybe since 2016 or so, and I barely use the color because it's green, but at times like this it comes in handy. I'm also going to take a wipe and wipe off this excess here using my finger, the tip of my finger as a guide. Why I did the eyes first before the face, because without that, I can't do all of this. There will be a lot of like extensions on the foundation and all of that. That's why I leave intricate eyes like this for when I'm doing skin first, or when I'm doing skin last rather, not skin first. So next I'm going into this palette from Mood Beauty, and I'll be taking this color first. I'll be taking this color next. You just saw that, right? I'm going to leave all these parts in this video so you know the struggle, but you just saw that. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to do my mascara. Since this is a Nigerian brand tutorial, I'm not going to form like I'm in the abroad. That is the struggle we have in Nigeria. Can't wait till Nigeria has constant power supply, honestly. Like, the struggle is terrible out here. It's just that those people in power that will make sure, those people that have stakes in all these generating set companies and all these companies that provide alternate power, they'll go out of business, and they don't want that to happen. So I'm very sure that is why they are still misbehaving like this. If not, like, it doesn't take them anything to constantly give somebody power, at least 12 hours. Now it's gotten so bad that it's barely even 2 hours they give power supply. You pretty much use generating sets throughout the whole day. At the studio, 4K, 5K goes daily for petrol. The days that we are working a lot. It's annoying, trust me. Don't worry, if you want me to make a video about all that, because I genuinely don't like ranting or talking about negative stuff on my channel, but this part of content creating stresses me out the most. Like, lights. Let's not even talk about the struggle of what's it called, data, or to upload or something. Like, let's not even talk about that. So I'm going to be using my lashes from Lash by Glam Girl. Like, guys, these lashes, this is the one I used in my birthday makeup. Can you see how beautiful they are? And they flare out towards the end. And then I'm also going to fix my bottom lashes, and then I'll be right back to do my face. So for my primer, I'm using the ZARON face primer. And I'm going to staple that in with my ZARON stapling brush. Next up, I'll be using my foundation in FZ35. And guys, with this foundation, a little bit goes a long way, and it dries down matte concealer like I showed you in deep. I'm going to brighten it up with the other shade as well. Apply everything. This is my contour and my highlight. Just going to go ahead and blend it out. So you already know how we do it on here. I'm going to go into this color first before I go in with my setting powder. Guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed me creating this look using all Nigerian brands. These are some of the favorite brands I've been loving of recent. Of course, there are a ton of other products. Nigerian brands are killing it, and this is like my installation in my... For contour, I'm going into this shade here. It's the darker shade in this palette, and I'm just going to apply that to set my contour. This brush I'm using is from Eye Candy Cosmetics, and guys, I've had this brush set since like 2016, and I use it all the time, and it's still going strong. So check them out. Face, for my blush, I'm going to be using this one in Flame. It's like a red blush. It's like a red eyeshadow, but I'm using that. And I'm just going to tap. It's an amazing lipstick. It's called ZAKKA, and I haven't used it in a while. It's like a whitish nude. I used to be in love with this lipstick before. I don't know why I stopped loving it. Don't worry, don't be scared. I'm going to blend it out. Whew. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed me creating this look using all Nigerian brands. These are some of the favorite brands I've been loving of recent. Of course, there are a ton of other products. Nigerian brands are killing it, and this is like my installation in my Nigerian Glow series. So if you have any other brands you want to see me try out from Nigeria, please leave a comment down below and help me share this video on your stories to your friends. Sharing is caring. Please give me a thumbs up. It will mean the absolute world to me. Subscribe to my channel as well, and I'm going to see you lovelies in my next video. Bye. Mwah.